So we're getting close. We have installed all of the electrical and we have this box, and this is really going to be the brains of the whole operation. We've got electricity coming into it here, and then I'm going to have my float switch plugged in here. And what this does is when it is in one of the rain tanks and the rain tank has water, it's going to be floating up like this, and this will disallow there to be an electrical connection here. But as the water runs out, there's a little ball in this that falls out, and that ball falling out is going to allow this to go on, and it will turn on a pump that is over where that blue canister is. That is a well pump over there, and that is going to pump up and come in this piece of 2-inch PVC into our rain tank. That's going to be the makeup water. As that fills up, this will come back. It'll go back up like this. The ball will fall, turning off the connection, and that will turn off the pump. But we're going to set this so that there's adequate water for irrigation, so that we never have a problem of, running out of water and, running dry on our pump. And then you can see our pump is going to draw from the rain tank. They have set up an irrigation line here. It's going to go pass through that backflow preventer. It'll come down. There is a master valve here, and that is going to send the water up to where the valves are, and they will irrigate the property. So we have completed our job here. Our job was to get these 2 tanks installed, daisy chain them together, bring water up into our pump, and send that water out to irrigation. And so today we've completed that. Our pump is up and working. It's going out to the irrigation, and so we're done.